Next they have given us question. A sentence or phrase that you use to get information or to ask something, etc. Now, in question, the first type of question we have is the WH questions. When you ask who, whose, whom, which, what, how much, how many, okay, all these type of questions when you ask, these are known as WH questions. It always ends with a question mark. Who is your best friend? Okay, and you will give some name. Whose dress are you wearing? Whom did she meet? Which is your book? What is your name? How do you go to school? That means by bus or by train or rickshaw. How much pocket money do you get? Small children sometimes don't get any pocket money. The parents will buy whatever for you, no? How many brothers or sisters do you have? Okay, all these type of WH questions, you need to get one answer. That means you will say which is your book, so you will say this is my book. See, this book is mine. Okay. Then what is your name? So I will say my name is Rashmi. Or how much pocket money do you get? So you will say 500 rupees or 1000 rupees depending on how much you get. How many brothers or sisters? So you will have to answer I have one brother, two brothers or no sisters. But when we have a verbal question will always get yes or no as the answer. We don't have to actually give one answer. For example, if I say, is the fan too fast? If you want, I'll slow it down a little bit. So you'll say, no, it's okay. Or, yes, it is too fast. Has your father come home? So here also you can say, yes, my father has come home. Or you'll say, no, he has not come home. So these type are known as verbal questions. If I ask you a question for which I don't want any answer, are you mad? So you don't have to say, yes, I'm mad. I mean to say, you're acting as if you are mad. But that is not a real question. You don't have to answer me. Or if I say, can't you understand something so simple? So I'm trying to say, it is so simple. You should understand it easily. I can't understand why you can't understand it. Have you understood? So those type of questions where we are not really expecting an answer is different type. But here when we are expecting an answer, here we expect real answers, actual words, and here even if you just say yes and no, it becomes an answer. After this question, look at the first rhyme and second rhyme that they have given. First rhyme is a short poem or a song for children. We have already done some poems and you will see the ending has rhyming words. The sound is similar in the ending. So that's why those poems are known as rhymes. The second meaning, if two words rhyme, they end with the same sound. For example, Here you can see rhyming words. They have given king and ring. So you can see that the ending king, ring has a similar type of sound. Or they have given you pack, and can you match it with book? No, it's not rhyming at all. So with pack, what can we rhyme? So with pack, you can write sack. But suppose they have given you book. So then you can write look. Have you understood? The ending part, here you can see ing sound is ending. Here ak sound is same type of ending. Uk, same type of ending. In Marathi, they call it yamak julwa, or get words which are rhyming or the ending sounds the same. Next, we have sentence. Now sentence, here they have given a group of words that expresses a complete idea, a statement, question or command. They have given example, my elder brother is in college. Now in sentence, first of all, you must have one subject and you must have a verb. Now, in sentence, you might have done different types of sentences. The first sentence that they have given here, my elder brother is in college. My elder brother is in college. Now, this type of a sentence is called a statement. A statement, some of you may have learned as an assertive sentence, or it is something which ends with a full stop. Now the second one which they have given, do you know this address? Do you know this address? You know, this is a question. You may have learnt it as interrogative sentence. And the third one which they have given, be quick. You know that this is a command. Command is known as an imperative sentence. Or if I had said, please be quick, that means I am requesting you. So in types of sentences, we had done all this in maybe a younger class. But in all, what was necessary? A subject. Here my elder brother is the subject and is the verb. You is the subject and know is the verb. Now here you cannot see who is the subject. Be quick, or there we don't write you, be quick. So we know already that we are talking to you. So you is the subject, and that is how we make sentences, different types of sentences, whether it is imperative, whether it is interrogative or a statement. This statement is not negative, it is affirmative. But if I said my elder brother is not in school, that means he is big, he is in college. So if I say he is not in school, then also it is a statement, but it is a negative sentence. Got it?